Okay, now let's select the report icons. To view all the tables in the data plan, right click on the empty area, right? And then expand all, okay? Expand all, right? That's how we see everything. To create a table widget in the data plan from the product table, click the category field. So in the product table, click on category, then it'll pop out right over here, okay? To add another column to the table in the data, select sales. So I'm going to go to sales and then I'm going to select sales right here. Okay, so it will come out and then we can see that all the numbers is the same. So we need some modeling, right? We need to do some data modeling. So we go to table data model view, okay, model view. Then we need to make a relationship. So let's zoom out everything. Okay, let's scroll, let's see. So to manage, we need to create new relationships, right? Select, right? Either I can go here, I manage window. Then we need to select, right? To create, select new relationships. So select new relationship. Okay, so to configure the relationship from product table to sales table, so we got product table and then we have sales table, right? I have two tables over here. Okay, so each table selected. So I think I'll go to here. Okay, new relationship. And then I need to see product. And then I need to see sales. Right, product is sales, product key, one to many, cardinality, one to many, and then single. Okay, so what it means here is this, right? Product key in each table are selected, cardinality type one to many because there's only one key here and then there's many key here in sales. This is a fact table, this is a dimension table. All right, cross direction single. Okay, single. Then make this relationship active check. Okay, and then we click save. After that we can click okay, now I close it. So now, okay, now if you guys can see, I have the line here, right? Line here. So I want to create more, right? Create more. So the reseller tab, I can just drag. I can also drag like this to the reseller key. The reseller key, drag the reseller key, right? It's pretty quick over here, and then we'll load. Right, and then click save. So it's quite simple, straightforward. We can do it like this as well. Okay, then we will do for everything, right? Region, right? So for the region, I'm gonna go to salesperson, right? Salesperson, and then I'm gonna use territory key, just like that. Okay, then so region, salesperson. Okay, salesperson is not here. Okay, sorry, salesperson, so it's not this one. Okay, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so region to salesperson, and region to salesperson. Okay, so which tell region to salesperson. Oh, okay, region to sales, territory key and territory key. Okay, then salesperson to sales employee key. So salesperson employee key to employee key here. Okay, so we will have 4 tables connected to one. Okay, you can see 4 tables connected to one. So these are all dimension tables, and this is a fact table. Okay, dimension table, all these are dimension, this is fact. Okay, then in the report view, if I go back to the report, I can see, right, it is now able to, okay, that's safe, right? I don't need to save it. Right, expand the product, right? Let's expand the product. right? To create a hierarchy, right? Now I'm going to create a hierarchy. Okay, so to create a hierarchy, right click on the category and then create hierarchy. Okay, so now I have a hierarchy. Okay, to update the name to products, so I'm going to update it to products. Okay, then to add a secondary level, right? This is secondary level. I'm going to go to, okay, to add a secondary level. Okay, so this is how we want to do the secondary level. So subcategory, okay, and then another product. So we have, right, apply changes. So we're gonna have 3 level, right? Category, subcategory, and product. So if you open up here, okay, so the products, we have 3 hierarchy, exactly like that, right? Simple. Now the organize column into display folder, right? So I can also, right, organize to like this. So again, I can go to background color. Okay, background color. So I can select background color, format, control, and then select font color format. Then over here, display, I'm gonna go to formatting. So this is like a grouping, right, to make it more clean and neat to read, right? Clean and neat to read. So if you have too many columns, you can do that, right? It will be all very neat. Okay, or pressing the control key, select the font color, and then this way folder. So there are 2 columns inside that folder, right? So yeah, so you can configure the region table as well. So we can go to region, okay, then we can have a hierarchy again. Okay, so I'm gonna have a hierarchy of calling regions, and then we will have, okay, so okay, so it's country first, right? Country is the first level, so I need to create on the country, but I'm gonna call this region. Okay, so country will be first, right? Country will be first, followed by country region. Oh, sorry, group first, group country region. Okay, group country region. Okay, you can do that as well. I can move around here, so you can click on any hierarchy and then move around. Okay, just like that, we have a region. Okay, now we're gonna select the country, and then data type, we're gonna change it to let's see, country, advanced property, then the advanced, right, country and region, right. So we have this globe icon. Okay, so now at the reseller, okay, another hierarchy. So here, hierarchy, business type of reseller. So yeah, we have a business type, and then each business type that has their own reseller. I'm gonna call it resellers. Okay, call it resellers. Okay, so now we've done this. Then in this again, reseller table. Okay, so again I need another hierarchy. Then I'll name this geography coffee. Province, city, and reseller. So it will see which reseller as which city. All right, simple as that. Okay, then select the data category. Set the data category. Okay, now I'm going to change some of the data. So country region, okay, to advanced, okay, country region, state and province to state and province. Okay, I'm going to change all these things. Okay, and then city to city. So I'm going to give them all the proper data. Okay. Okay, just like that. So on the sales side, sales select the cost column. So go to the cost. Alright. In the property panel, the description based on standard cost. So yeah, we calculated out this from the Power Query Editor, and it's as a calculated measure. I mean, it's a calculated column. So we can say it is, based on standard cost. Okay, just like that. Description can be applied to columns hierarchy measure in. Okay, so if I were to hover, then you have a based on standard got description come out. So if you want to know more about the columns, you can do like that, and then the users can't, the other users can see it. Okay, so select the quantity. Okay, now I need to have a slide the 1,000 slider separated. So we have 1,000, right? It's very cool for a lot of high quantities. And unit price, then set decimal place to 2. Okay, so this unit price is in finance, right? So I need to have a 2, right? So finance always have 2 cents, so I need to have it 2. The advanced, select. In the advanced code, you may need to scroll down to it's summarized by dot average. So whenever I pull out, it will be average. So because this is a unit price, right? Unit price. So it will always get average of that unit instead of a sum. So let's say I have a lot of, it's called unit price. That's why it must be average, not sum. Okay. So that's level the data plan. Select the product. Okay, product key. Okay, so I'm gonna expand all. Then I'm gonna go to right now I'm gonna hide a lot of things, right? So that, okay, then I'm gonna go to region here, sales, okay, and reseller key, hide, employee key, hide, product key. Let's see, category key, product key. key. Okay, sales order key, key sales order key. Set all this key. Okay, YID. Okay, UPN. So we're gonna hide all these things because they are connected, right? They're primary key and secondary key. We don't need to see them, okay? And they are not used in visualizations, so best is just hide it. Okay, so I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So let's say I have 14 now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 11. So okay, fuck it. So now I'm gonna multi-select this. Okay, then okay, now for here, okay, this is a cost, right? So sometimes we do want to view a lot of things. Okay, I'm gonna collapse all, then I'm going to put that sales. So I'm gonna select cost, sales cost, sales. Okay, I do want decimal place. Okay, switch to report now. Yeah, let's go back to report. Now you see, okay, no decimal place, and then it's right. So right now, okay, you can see hierarchy right now. Okay, hierarchy and the levels are filled and use to configure reports. Only field relevant to the reports authorized are visible. Since I hide most of that, it's not visible anymore for the keys, all these secondary and primary keys. The only visual relevant to reports are visible, right? Very important. The salesperson region table is visible, right? Can you see that? The salesperson is not visible anymore because we hide all the keys, right? Because all its fields are hidden. Okay. Spatial field in the region. Okay, so we have this spatial, right? The globe, right? Globe. Okay. Fields born in the symbol, right, has to be summarized by default, right? Unless we put summarize. A tooltip appear when you hover on cursor. So you go to sales cost, okay, based on standard cost. Alright. So we can expand the sales like this. Okay, sales, and then you can see this. Okay. So to turn off this, right, you go to turn off, navigate to the file. Okay. Option the settings. Okay. Then options. Then it will pop up. Where? Pop up this time intelligence auto. Click OK. Okay, now I'm just gonna collapse all. Expand all. Okay, sales. Right, I still have it, so it's not working, right? This is not working. Okay, this thing is not working, so it's always like this. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay, go to here. Let's see if I can do something about it. So I can't. Right, looks like it will always be hierarchy even though I go off that. Right. Let's try again. See. Okay, is it on? The time intelligence. Okay. Time intelligence. Okay, we can't do it. Never mind. Give up. So in the data, right click on the sales table and select new quick measure. So here, new quick measure. Okay. Then we're going to select subtraction. We're going to do some subtraction. Then over here, so this sales as the base value. Then sum of cost. Okay. So now I can minus this off. This minus this, you get profit. Right? Can you see that? So it will be sales minus cost. Sales minus cost. Name it to profit. Okay, just like that. Very fast. So if you click on it, you'll see the formula. In the sales table, add a second quick measure. Okay. Use division this time. Okay. So set the numerator as, sales profit. Denominator, okay, as sales. So what's the percentage? Okay. So this one will be profit margin. Okay. So now, and here, I need to make sure it's 2 because it's in, okay, decimal as well. I mean a percentage as well. Decimal and 2. Okay. Here is already currency and it's 0, so it's perfect. To test these two, okay. Test these two. So we're gonna go to here. Like that, and then let's use. Okay, left out the category. So I can either pull here and pull here is better. So now I have sales, okay, sales, profit and profit margin. Okay, just like that. Alright. So in Power BI view, the data will select to fill create a new table visual. So I'm going to create another table. Salesperson and sales. So salesperson. Okay. Then their respective sales. Right. So this is made by each salesperson. However, there's another relationship between sales and salesperson. Okay, because each some of the salesperson have more than one region, and then one region can have multiple salesperson. So it is a many to many. So notice Michael Blade have 9 million. Okay, this guy here almost 9 million. Switch to the model view. Okay. Then drag the salesperson table position in between region and region. So I'm gonna put salesperson region between region and salesperson. Okay. Then use the drag and drop technique to create the two relationship. So I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, apply key. So like that. Okay. This is like this. This is a report view. Right, notice that the visual has an update. So the result for marker hasn't changed. Okay, so search by the model view and follow the change direction. Okay, so basically I need to, delete the salesperson, the region, to the salesperson. Okay, table filter, so consider, okay, the salesperson, this there, filter the sales table, and it also filters the sales region, but it doesn't continue by propagating filter to region. Okay, it doesn't go there, so there's no filter here. So to edit the relationship between region, okay, and then salesperson, okay, double click this. Alright, and edit the relationship. Alright, put this to both. Okay, apply security filter to both sides. Alright, so I'm gonna say save. Now you see, right, there are two. Okay, if you go back, it's still not changed. Right? The issue now relates to the fact that there are two possible filter propagate to between salesperson and sales. Okay, so salesperson, right, and sales. Okay, based on the least number of tables assessment, to be clear, you shouldn't design a model which has type ambiguity. The issue will be addressed in the later part in this lab, but the completion of the great DAX interface. So I need a change the meta field to force filter the propaganda and double click the relationship between salesperson and sales. Then make this relationship active. Okay, now it is inactive. So now if you go, so this salesperson, okay, will not affect the sales. This one will not affect the sales anymore. So the region, the salesperson will put in the region here. Okay, the salesperson will be in the region here. This region will be in here because it's both ways, right? If both ways, so that here can affect here, then the here will affect here. So the sales region person gets the sales people information, pass it to this region here. That's why when I go to here, the data change, right? Sum of sales now, right, is the true one. Okay. Okay, it's added, it's more. Or this added more. It's a common observation of many variations due to the double, triple, etc. Counting of regional sales result. Consider the second salesperson, Brian Wacker. Okay, Brian. Where's Brian? This Brian 77. Okay. The second salesperson listed, he says equal to the total amount. Look at that. It's the correct result due to the fact that he is the director of sales and his sales are measured by all region. So this guy is a director, right? He is the director of the whole region. So his sales should be like this. So yeah. Well, the manipulation is now working. It's now not possible to analyze sales made by each person. Okay, it's not possible. So you need to introduce a calculator that are able to analyze sales made in the sales region assigned to the salesperson. We're using DAX, which will be in the next lab. Okay, so it's the model view. Select, okay, model view. Then I'm going to select salesperson here. and replace the text with salesperson. So rename the table now reflects its purpose. Okay, it's not now salesperson, it's salesperson performance now. Okay. Right, it's now performance. In this task, you create a relationship between targets table. So to create a relationship with sales, the employee ID and the target. So now put this to this. So target ID. Okay, so in the report we'll add the target to the table. Okay, then we see their target. So each person has their own target, obviously. There you go. So this is the total target. Okay, Brian, the director, must have a lot of target.